So now we know all about sums. I want you to write me a number sentence for this picture. Nice and easy. I've got 2 frogs and 3 frogs. How many do I have all together? Something plus something equals something. Now I'm sure you wrote 2 plus 3 equals 5. Now today we're going to put that number sentence into a train. Here's my train. So we've got 2 carriages and we're going to put our numbers onto them and we're going to put our answer there at the front, the engine of the train. So we would have 2 plus 3 equals 5. Right now, we are going to add some more carriages to our train. So let's have a look at the picture. Now, I don't just have something plus something. I've got 2 blue beads plus 3 yellow beads plus 1 green bead. Do you think I could write a number sentence for that? Let's have a look at our train and see what this sum would look like. Here's my train. Can you see, instead of having just 2 carriages, now it's got 3 carriages. See if you can work out what you would write on each of those carriages and on the engine at the front. We would put the 2 blue beads on one carriage, 3 yellow on another, and 1 green on the front carriage. And all together, we would have 6. Let's have a look at the number sentence. 2 plus 3 plus 1 equals 6. Now see if you can write a train sum for this picture. I've got red beads, I've got purple beads, and I've got green beads. And I want to know how many beads do I have all together. See if you can write a train sum. Let's have a look at the answer. Here's my train, and I'm going to write the numbers in the carriages. 3 red beads plus 5 purple beads plus 2 green beads. All together, I've got 10 beads. Can you do this one? I've got some blocks, a yellow block, some blue blocks, and some green blocks. Look carefully at how many blocks there are and write me a train sum. Here's my train. Let's fill in the numbers. I've got 1 yellow plus 4 blue plus 4 green equals 9 blocks altogether. Now, those were all plus train sums where we added different things together. But we can also do minus train sums where we have something, we take away, and then we take away again. Let's have a look at a picture. Here, I've got 8 blue beads. I take away 2 of them, and then I take away another 3. I am then left with 3. Let's have a look at how we would write that as a number sentence, a train sum. Here's my train. This time, my carriages are joined by a minus, not a plus. Very important, when we're writing minus number sentences, we must remember on the minus side that we have to have the number that we started with. So this time there were 8 blue beads. I took away 3, and then I took away 2, and I was left with 3. See if you can do this minus sum all by yourself. I have 6 blocks. I take away 2, and I take away another 1. How many am I left with? Can you write that train sum by yourself? Did you write 6 minus 2 minus 1 equals 3? Now, when we do train sums, it's very important that we look carefully at what joins the carriages. Sometimes they can be a little bit tricky. Let's have a look at this one. Can you see between my carriages, one's got a plus and one's got a minus? That means I'm going to put 2 numbers together, but then I'm going to take away before I work out my answer. Let's have a look at the sum. I've got 4 plus 2 minus 1. Here's a picture. I've got 4 plus 2, but then I minus 1. I take away 1, and I am left with 5. Here are some train sums that you can do by yourself. You don't have to do them all. There are quite a lot there. So just do as many as you would like. It is helpful if we have beans or counters to help us with these long sums. Or you can draw some pictures if you're getting stuck. Enjoy!